The 2026 World Cup is 3 weeks away, and FIFA just changed the rule book. 6 changes, all pointing in one direction: more ball, less theater. Some of these are overdue. Some will backfire. Here is what is actually changing. Rule 1. The visible countdown. Throw-ins and goal kicks now come with a clock, 5 seconds. If the ball is not in play by then, possession flips to the other team. Goal kick delay costs you a corner. Referees already had a version of this for goalkeepers. Now it covers everyone. Will it work? Players have been creative for decades. They will stay creative. But at least referees now have a tool they can actually use. Rule 2. Get off the pitch. Quickly. Substitution board goes up. You now have 10 seconds to cross that white line. Miss the window. The incoming player stands on the sideline for 60 seconds. Your side plays short. This targets one of football's oldest tricks: the slow walk. The dramatic limp that disappears by the tunnel. The boot that suddenly needs tying at the 89th minute. 10 seconds changes that calculation entirely. Rule 3. Physio on the pitch means you come off. Medical treatment during play now costs a player 1 minute on the sideline. The idea is simple. If the injury is real, come off and get treatment. If it is not real, stop wasting everyone's time. Referees no longer have to guess. Goalkeepers are the one exception. Pulling a keeper for a minute creates more problems than it solves. That loophole stays open for now. Rule 4. VAR gets a bigger role. Second yellow cards can now be reviewed. Previously, only straight reds were checked. That gap always felt strange. A red card is a red card, regardless of how it arrives. VAR can also now look at corner kick decisions, provided the check is fast enough not to stall the game. Mistaken identity cases, where the wrong player gets carded, can also be corrected. More VAR. Draw your own conclusions. Rule 5. Cameras on referees. Referees at this World Cup may wear body cameras. The equipment comes from FIFA, not the officials. The footage goes to FIFA, not social media. The stated purpose is referee education and fan experience. A camera angle from inside a penalty area during a major decision would be something genuinely new. Whether the footage ever reaches fans in real time is a separate question entirely. Rule 6. The DOGSO fix nobody talks about. DOGSO. Denying an obvious goal-scoring opportunity. Foul a player through on goal and you get a red card. That has always been the rule. The problem was what happened when the referee played advantage and a goal was scored anyway. The old rule still gave a yellow card, which made no sense. The opportunity was not denied. It ended in a goal. The new rule cancels the card entirely when advantage leads to a goal. Clean logic. 40 years late. But here now. 6 rules. 1 goal. Make the game harder to waste. Whether referees enforce them consistently is the real question nobody can answer yet. Come back after the group stages. We will know more then. If this helped, subscribe my channel, The Football Blueprint Reporter. More coming before the tournament starts.